beautiful people. We have another package from Temu.
Play this record as frequently as possible.
No, here's the thing. My back is killing me. Yesterday I hurt my back. It was really bad. I went through this haul yesterday, but I have no idea what happened. So if you see me being a little stiff, don't ask any questions, yeah? Let's get this package, okay? I'm just kidding. Is this another one? I'm coming back. Let's start with a small package first. The stuff I ordered is around $200. Oh. Okay, so this is the front. I can't tell it's the front. It's a couture net top. And it's supposed to be cropped. Let me finish going through this bag and then we're gonna try these on, okay? It looks like quite hot right now. Okay, I'm going to try on the ground one first and then I'm going to put this one on because I like how this feels. I like how both of them feel, but this would be easier to get on and off than I need to get it on and off. Okay, and then I got 2 eyeliners. I'll show you these later. I'll be back. So this is how this one fit. Probably gonna have to wear like a bra that crosses at the back, but it fits really nice. I don't know if it's the front or the back, but I don't think it really matters. This fabric, super stretchy. I may have to put it in the dryer so it can shrink a little bit, but it's super stretchy and it feels so nice. So now we're gonna try on the black one and then we're gonna keep that on and then we're gonna open this bag. Ooh. Snug, this feels so nice. And not snug bag, snug it. Yes, I love this. I love this, I love this. It feels so thick and nice. I didn't even have to wear a bra with this. My back is hurting. Don't laugh at me, y'all laughing at me? Don't laugh at me. Okay, another top, so let's try this one. Okay, no, I don't want to take off my bra. This looks big though. No, it's not. Okay, we're gonna put... I want to try on all the bottoms of this top. So, let's just go through until we find some bottoms. Okay. I was wondering what this is. The fabric does not feel like I thought it would have felt. It's actually thicker. It's actually thicker than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like t-shirt material. You know those flare pants that have the t-shirt material? I thought it was going to be that. So these are flare pants. We're going to try these on after we try on the tops. So let me try this on quick. I think I got this in a medium. Because I can't find all these balls anymore. Okay, definitely a medium. It fits really good. It fits really good. I don't think I need to do much. The back is a little loose. If anything, I'll just take in the sides a little bit of here and here. But it fits good all around. What y'all think looks good? Oh, nice bag. Why don't I insist on eating before we do this? Okay, see if you got any more bombs. Oh, what do you get? This is thick. Ooh, hidden camera quick. I can just oil my scalp. I don't want my tops to get dirty. Yeah, completely messing up my hair now. My baby hairs. Okay. One, it's already making my hands warm. Is that the back? Can I turn to see? No, it's the same height. And it is, oh my god. Can you come closer? Fold this down. Oh my god, I can't hold my hands up too high. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for those girls that get cold on their shoulders a lot. Oh, I love this. I need this in black. I need some black and I need some grey. Oh my gosh, I love this. Gosh, it got me warm already. Okay, pop this off. This is, oh my god, I love this. I love this. Okay. I have not been disappointed yet. Okay, you're good. Okay. Am I missing anything? Okay. I think this is the top two. Do I have more bottoms? I don't think I have any more bottoms. Okay. Well, this is cool. Okay, we're gonna try this on. I always wear these things wrong. We're supposed to twist it. We'll see. I cannot believe this. They had this on the site. Look, you already see his rasta. You already see his rasta. You know. Wait, what is that? It's just a shawl. Is it? Oh crap. It's not just a shawl. It's like a vest thingy. So if I go and I wear some really good a bracelet. Okay, and I wear some really short pants and don't really look at my butt. This, okay. I can show it to y'all here. It looks bad with these pants though. I think it will look better with clean bottoms. Look at that skirt. Oh gosh. So, if I wear something I don't want y'all see on my bum, then I would wear this with it. And then you could also like that and put a belt on it. I didn't get any belts. I don't think so. Did I get belts? And put like a belt on it. Ooh, like that. Can you tie it? Let's see. Or you can get it. You know, and tie it. Still in your butt. Okay. Actually, like it. Let's see. Can you also tie the back? I think I'll do a slight little tie under here. People want to know it's the same thing. Let's see what looks from the back. I can't see how it looks, so y'all tell me. Cause I can't look back. Okay, so you scoot it under. And it just looks like a scarf. Where's the little bikini top? Let's pretend this is a bikini top. Okay, you can't pretend, but or you wear the low cut top. What is this? These pants killing it though. But there's too much pattern. Very pleased. Don't look. Don't look. I actually think that I got this top to go with the skirt, you know. Because I had like feelings in mind. Okay, try this on. Bruh. Y'all seen this? My eyes start to burn. Y'all seen this? I'm gonna wash this and wear it this weekend. This one? No, this is too cute. I can't wear this weekend. I can't wear this weekend. This is too cute. Butt check. Try on tops. Oh, look good. Oh, look at this. I just feel like I have small boobs. I feel like I have small boobs. Like I have small boobs, I have a small upper torso, and I think this is small. because it's a little loose, but I sew. So we're gonna just go here, bring that in here, and bring it on that side, and it should come like that and that. Right? That's cute, right? That's cute, right? Okay. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. So this one or the other one that I threw off. The other one that I threw off looks just good as it is. But I think if I had to wear this with it, I would wear like a jacket with it or something, like a leather jacket, like a crop jacket, a leather crop jacket. My magic sunglasses. This is the body outfit. Okay, okay. Let's try on the other. Let's try on the other one. Everything looks good so far. Ever. Okay, I'm convinced that my boobies smaller than it should be. Alright, I need to start again. I don't think they had extra smalls on any of these things. So, is there somewhere I could stitch this? I could just do like a quick seam at the back, but it's like sweater material. See it? Oh, God. So, I think this is one of those cases where I should look at the links and see what I got. So my camera decided it wanted to turn off by itself. I had it on too long. Okay, so you're supposed to tie it around the neck. Let me see. I like things to be tied around my waist. Then we're gonna tie it here. Bring it right back around. Tie it here. How does it look? Okay, let's just bring this up a little bit. And then secure the goodies under there. No? No more. Do it right on the boobies like this. That's cute. Okay. Okay, it's cute. So if I had this tied around here, I'd just do like a normal little tie like that. With this little, so it's supposed to be tied on my waist. Ooh, okay, wait, come on. Tie like that. Bring it back around. Put it back there. On tie around. Ooh. Look. Look. Do a tight cinch that waist. Cinch that waist. What do you think? I look better. I look so much better. I changed the settings on my camera to have my face looking shiny. I look like Oompa Loompa. Okay.